used to me being loud, hanging out, making moves all over town, riding big cars, showcasing my style. Everybody wanna know what's going down, but that's not how I'm living now. I did a 360, turned my whole life around. Now I roll with Jesus, yeah, I like how that sound. I wanna go to heaven where the no sitting loud. The sin's like a burden and chain. People say I'm different since I came out the game. Now they know I'm Christian, so they think I'm a lame. But I don't care because I'm gonna worship your name. All my real life Christian, throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. All my real life Christian, throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. All my real life Christian, throw your hands up.
Hey my beauties, it is CC, your frugal goddess, and as you can see, I'm getting ready to do a wig review. Okay, now we're going to actually review a couple of products. One product I'm going to try for this video is this selfie light, and I film off my phone, okay? And so sometimes I just feel like now I got every light on in my bathroom, and usually I get a little bit brighter picture. But for this video, I'm going to try this selfie light, and what it does, I don't want to blind you, is it just adds light. So we're going to clip it on right here. And I don't know, I don't see where it's added any light, but that's my opinion. I will see after I do the video. Okay. So anywho, what I'm choosing to do is the Ballcap Method. And I've already attached the cap and everything. And this is not really a cap. This is actually a stocking that Omaria had cut up for some reason. I don't even know why she cut them up, but she did. And so when I saw it, I was like, okay, I'm going to go ahead on and use it to do this method. So hence the runs and all of that. But the way I attached mine was I used the Gorilla Snot and attached it to, I just gelled my hair really good and I attached it with the Gorilla Snot. Excuse me, y'all. Sorry about that. So, I forgot what I was even talking about, y'all. I used the Gorilla Snot to attach the wig cap. And so, the wig I'm reviewing, it is by Atoz wig. It's right here. It came in this bag. It was in a envelope. Then it came in this bag. Then in this bag. And it has a wig cap on there. Y'all, I'm sorry. I forgot to turn my notifications down on my phone. But I like this bag. It's nice. It's decent. It's a nice little storage bag for your wig. Again, it's Atoz Beauty. I'll annotate that right there. Atoz wigs. And so the one I have is curly lace front, heat resistant. And so, y'all, I was really surprised, okay? This is an Amazon company, okay? And y'all know I've been doing some reviews lately for Amazon. But, again, I was really surprised. Okay, it came with a wig cap. And it has the net on it. Now, this is not human hair, okay? But, again, I was really surprised. Do y'all see this wig? Do you see the quality? The inside. I mean, I was really, really surprised at the quality of this wig. This is the front center part. And they actually, what they did, it looks like they did like a pre-part, so you can part it almost anywhere, because it's got a part here, almost, and a part here. I don't think I'm going to be tweezing or plucking this particular unit, just because I don't. I actually like the unit. It's very full. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to probably cut some baby hairs in here and wear it in with that method. Y'all know what is the pullover method or whatever. But, okay, the selfie light cut off. Okay, let's see. Hold on, y'all. The battery must be dead. So I'm going to put this on the charger real quick. I'm going to cut the lace off of here. And then I'm going to come back with her on. And I'm going to actually, it's a reason I did this because I'm going to show you a method I saw on another young lady's channel. If I can find her video, I will nanotate it down below. If not, please check for my future videos because I'm quite sure I will run across her again. But I actually, the method I saw, when I saw it, I was like, okay, that is super cool. So anyway, I'm going to cut the lace and everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, my beauties, I am back. This is the application, and I messed up in a couple of spots. I'm going to show you one spot I messed up at right here, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to correct that with a simple black marker. And I'm just going to come across here, right like that, outline that, and bam, okay? And let me tell y'all what I use to do this application, okay? Check it out. Y'all don't see, I'm pulling, okay? I'm pulling. Y'all don't see no lifting. I messed up on this side real bad, and I did not want to add any more of the glue that I used, and because it was just a mess, y'all. It was a mess. I used too much, and it was a mess. But what I used was this Broadway, what does that say? Broadway Eye Strip Lash Adhesive in clear. I did not want to use the black because I wanted to have the option. If I wanted to part my unit, I wanted to be able to do that. So that's why I did not use the black, okay? It's also, you could probably use Ardell. I don't do strip lashes, so I'm quite sure it's some eyelash glues that literally dry clear. This one, like I said, because I had put too much, and I think I went to attach the wig too soon before it was more dry. I had just a clump of white over here. So what I did was I got the marker, I cleaned that up, and I also cut some baby hairs on this beauty. I messed up a little bit in the front where you can see a little flaking, but I am not going to mess with that just because I don't want to make matters worse. But as you can see, this is my application, and I'm pulling, and I have a good, strong application, you guys. I don't have any makeup on. I was getting ready to put some makeup on. I feel like I look like a drag queen right now, but I was getting ready to put some makeup on, and I got a breakout or something right here. Like I got a breakout here. I'm just in breakout mode this month for whatever reason. I don't know. Of course, I get a notification in the middle of filming, but anywho, this is the wig from Atoz, and it is absolutely gorgeous. To me, it actually mimics a curly Brazilian I think it's a curly Brazilian or something like that. And so, like I said, I just did the pullover method. I didn't want to mess with plucking any parts or anything like that. And I am very satisfied with this. Again, I use the clear eyelash adhesive, and this is $2 at Dollar General, okay, compared to the price of the lace wig glues. And I have a really good, I could feel like the tightness of the application. And so this is just an idea. This is not my original idea. I did get this off somebody else's channel. I will link it down below. But that was the only channel I had saw it on. And so I will try to link it down below. I actually have to find her video because she just used it at the corners to adhere her wig because she used the lace wig glue. And I thought about it. I'm like, shoot, if it could put your eyelashes on, and people still run around here with eyelashes, maybe this right here can save some edges. And you can't beat it for $2. And again, like I said, I have a good, secure hold. Like, my hold is not going anywhere. I don't know what's going to happen because y'all know it's hot as panther piss here in New Mexico. So I don't know what's going to happen in the course of the evening once I've sweated. Also, the length is curled. It's about bra strap length. Once you, if you were to flat iron it, it'd probably add an inch or two to it. The curls are absolutely gorgeous. I have not put any product or anything on this. I finger combed it in the front, and that was just to separate the curls some. So from when I pulled it over and what have you, the density is a nice full density, but the wig is not heavy. I will annotate the price right here because I cannot remember the price. It is an Amazon wig, like I said, and they do have a Facebook page, which I will also link down below. I've had minimal shedding, okay, and I did, because like I told you, I messed up over here, and I was actually like combing through the wig with this end of the comb because I was getting the glue out. This is also an edge brush. I know mine looks disgusting right now, y'all, but this is an edge brush, and I use it a lot of times with my topic. That's the black stuff that's in there. Oh, my topic for when I'm filling in my edges. But with this, the way I adhere this unit, there's no hair out. I didn't have to fill in anything. And I just cut the baby hairs right here just to give it a more natural look. Okay. So again, this is the unit. I was really, really surprised at the quality of this unit, because a lot of the units I've been getting off of Amazon, they're decent wigs, don't get me wrong, but they're not this quality. This is like quality. This is like expensive wig, for real, for real. I've had some synthetics that I've paid like $60 and $70 for, and this is the quality of this hair. Okay, the hair and the wig. This is a really, really good wig. The way it's made is really good. It's a stocking cap method. I am very, very pleased with this one. This one is one, you know, if you are looking for something, just something different, not the same old, go out and check them out. I will leave all the links down below. I want you to have a beautiful, beautiful, blessed rest of your day. I want you to remember to tell somebody you love them. And always, always remember to be your own kind of beautiful. Later.
Everybody used to be being loud. Hey,